I dare you to give me a kiss.
You for real?
Yes? Oh shit, it's a dare. What you mean?
Okay.
What's up, squad? I'm back with another video. You guys already read the title. You already know what's gonna go down. So today I'm with my homegirl, Empress Nay. My bad.
You better get it right now.
My bad now. Hey, Empress Nay. You feel me? So we're gonna do the dirty truth or dare. Listen, the way this game's gonna go down, you feel me? If you don't do the dare, you're gonna have to, you know, drink some wine.
Just take a sip.
Yeah, you feel me? You know, I'm trying to take it easy on her, so we just.
Alright, let's go. You're probably gonna drink more than me.
Hell, I don't think so.
Alright, let's see.
So listen, man.
Let's see, y'all.
Before this video starts, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? And subscribe to
and
the
share.
channel. Yeah,
and share too.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Ladies first.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay.
This thing's gonna be. Hey, you feel like, you know, a little kid, you cannot watch this video. You feel me? So
yeah, it's PG 21.
Go watch
21.
It's not PG 13.
No, 21.
Alright.
Okay.
Hey, if you're a little kid, go watch something else. Alright.
Yeah, the same for you, buddy. Alright, first question. So, are you happy with?
I mean, you have to ask me truth or
truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth.
You know, that's that. You know.
What song reminds you of another girl?
Bruh.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
Another girl. Whoa, what?
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ, another girl.
Yep. What song reminds you of another girl?
What do you mean though?
What do you mean? You have a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So what song reminds you of another girl?
Dude. Hey, don't take this personal, but hey, I would say Love Don't Change.
By
I forgot the name,
Think?
but hey,
Is it by Think?
But
no,
I don't know. It's Love.
Jeremiah or some
Love
shit.
Don't Change, because my ex sent me that song, so whenever
it's stuck in your head.
I mean, kind of, but I'm trying to get rid of that. You feel me? So hey.
Aww.
I mean, no, listen, it's like it's a beautiful song, but whenever I think about it, it's like, you know, remind me of you know. Hey, that's it. That's about it. But
okay.
Alright, truth or dare.
Truth.
Oh shit, hey, I'm gonna
Let's
go
go,
hard
let's
on you.
get
Hey,
it,
listen,
let's get
it's a dirty truth or dare, so
listen, keep it kind of clean.
keep it kind of clear. Hey, no, we're not gonna do that here, man. Hey, we're not. That's not what they watching the video for. Hey, listen.
Let's go.
You said truth, right? When was the last time you masturbated? Oh shoot. Hey, only for the dare. Only for the dare. You have to tell me the truth now. Like, don't do that.
Come on now.
Only for the dare. Don't do that. Hey. No, we're not gonna do that. Don't back down.
So the dare is only.
Yeah, you're gonna have to drink only if you do, like, you don't wanna do the dare.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
You just gotta be honest here, man.
Listen, stop it.
Hey.
Let me see.
Hey, listen.
It's been a long time, so I gotta think.
Hey, don't be nervous, man. Don't be nervous. You know, hey, whenever you're feeling a little, you gotta do your thing.
2 days ago.
Okay.
2 days ago.
Alright.
Okay.
At least she's telling the truth, yo. Alright. So,
okay, truth or dare?
Alright, you know what? Dare.
What minute know what for dare if you do?
Hey, listen, whatever you want me to do.
Okay,
hey.
I dare you to, I don't know.
Hey, you don't have any dare? Like,
no, it's on the truth.
Hey, you have to think about something now. Hey, if I'm not gonna do it, I'm gonna have to drink. Hey, simple as that. You feel me?
I dare you to perform a striptease.
Oh hell no!
Come on, let's go. That's easy. Come on, do it. Get up. Yes, you know for one. Let me see. Come on. Let me sit and get ready for this one.
Hey, I thought I'm gonna drink. No way. Hey, that's what.
You gonna drink?
Yes. Hey, let me sip on that thing real quick. No.
You're just gonna chicken out like that?
No, listen. I'm not gonna do that in front of the camera. No.
Okay, let's turn the camera off.
Oh no, we're not gonna do that. No.
Alright, take your sip. That's cool. That's okay.
I'm gonna get drunk. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, truth or dare?
Dare. Let's get this. Dare. Come on. Let me see.
I dare you to cut a piece of your dread.
Oh hell no, I'm not.
What?
Hey, give me this wine.
What? Oh my God. Damn.
Why would you want to cut my hair?
Hey, listen, he said dare. Hey.
Oh no, that's not gonna happen. No time.
Come on now. Hey, don't be a cheat.
Let's cheers, y'all.
God, she's backing up. Oh my God.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Have you ever had a threesome before?
Yes.
Oh.
My nigga.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Oh, it's truth. I dare you to lick off lotion like off my elbow.
Oh,
yeah, come on now. You have to lick it lotion off my elbow.
It's gonna be on your shirt.
Yeah. No. I'm gonna put it up, and you're gonna have to lick it off my.
No.
What? Come on, hey. You see what she do? Hey, that's 2 days in the row. She don't wanna do it. She's backing out. Alright, that's not cute. You have to do it though. Come on. I'm not gonna force it.
I don't know if you're being.
Hey, listen, I just took a shower. Listen, I'm clean. Hey. Come on now, come on. Hey,
but I don't eat lotion though.
You have to lick it off. Like
lick it off and then do what with it?
I mean, hey, just lick it off my elbow.
No, me don't want to lick off no lotion. Come.
God damn, bumble cloud.
You know what?
I'm gonna get you drunk.
Yeah, listen. No, you know what? That's right.
Yeah, be careful. There's a piece of.
Okay.
Man, she don't wanna do the dare, y'all. You listen, she don't wanna do the.
Truth or dare?
Truth. What? I mean, you got a bunch of.
Okay, I dare you to.
That's the truth. Now that's a dare. She trying to play with me, yo. Hey. What?
Oh.
What?
Have you ever masturbated in a public restroom?
No. I never. Nah.
You sure?
Nah, that's dirty.
I don't know what y'all guys do or like doing. Shit. Okay.
Alright, truth or dare?
Truth.
Alright. If you could have sex with one person right now, who will it be?
Do I have to call his name?
I mean, of course. What the hell?
J.O.B.
Who's that?
That's his name, J.O.B.
Okay, alright, you know, it's gonna be good day. Alright, your turn.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
What's up with y'all in this truth?
Alright.
Okay, what's your favorite thing about a quickie?
Shit, my favorite thing about a quickie, let me tell you, like, listen.
I wanna hear. Let's go.
Listen. Whenever you want that person and stuff, you know, all you need is like 3 seconds or 5 seconds. You feel me, to satisfy. As long as you bust that nut, you're good. So as long as I come, I'm good. That's what makes it exciting and stuff. You feel me, right?
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
3 second alert. Truth or dare?
Truth.
How many people you slept with?
Why you have to ask that question?
Hey, listen, hey.
Why you gotta ask that question?
It's a dirty truth or dare, ma'am.
No, I don't want to answer that question.
What you mean? Just be honest. Like, you don't have to. Hey, the past is the past. You're a whole different person now, right?
Okay, 4.
4. This is not bad. You feel me? This is not bad. All right, your turn.
Okay, truth or dare? Say so dirty.
Dare.
Man, I'm feeling drunk as shit right now, honestly.
Already?
Yeah, I can't.
Yo.
Okay, you said dare?
Yeah.
So, I dare you to seduce me.
Seduce you?
Like, get up and... Let me see. Don't. You're not drinking. You do it.
No, listen.
You want me to play? Let me play a song.
I can't.
Why?
I can't.
Why you can't?
I'm gonna have to drink. My girl gonna get mad at me.
I'm not doing no more video with her.
Okay.
Listen. Hey, I can't. I have to respect
go.
the fact that I'm in a relationship. You feel me?
We both are respecting the fact we're in a relationship.
Listen, I don't
drink a little.
Listen,
drink.
I don't think she's gonna be happy with that. You feel me?
So how you? She not. She needs to.
Hey,
you gotta cut this out. No, you gotta. Let me ask another.
Hey,
let me ask another question.
No. I already drank, so you have to let me ask you a question now. Hey, you
okay. But cut this part out. Yeah, I know.
Good. That shit's good. Go ahead.
Okay, truth or dare?
Dare.
I can't even dare you to do nothing.
Just go ahead. If it's cool with me, I will do it. You feel me?
Rub. I dare you to give me a back rub. I say rub somebody back. You know what? A massage, actually.
A massage.
Yes, like that. Okay. Good job.
Alright, that's it. I don't want you to fall asleep now.
Alright. Go.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Oh shit. I dare you to go on Instagram right now on your Instagram story and then to post. I'm finally taken by this fine ass Haitian man. Wesley. Hey, come on. Hey, it's a dare. It's a dare. Come on, you gotta do it. You feel me?
What the?
You gotta do it. Hey.
Bro, what are you doing? Wait, I gotta tell my boyfriend I'm about to do this dare.
Hey, you don't have to tell nobody.
What do you mean? He gonna see it and
hey,
then he
listen, hey, come on. I don't want you to just post that thing. It's a dare. I didn't tell you to tell nobody shit. Hey,
you see how you behave?
Hey, listen.
Okay, so what do you want me to say now? So I am fine. You want me to?
No, I'm no longer single.
I am no longer
single.
Wait, longer single.
I'm taken by.
I am taken.
That fine ass.
By.
No, you type taken wrong. You drunk.
Shit. Taken by. Tag you?
Yeah, of course.
Fine ass.
Haitian.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
For how long?
Are you gonna get in trouble for this?
For how long?
Are you gonna get?
Are you gonna get in trouble for this? You're talking about me. Are you? I'm good. My man ain't gonna trip because you know I'm over here. Are you gonna get in trouble?
Just post that thing to there for like I would say for like 10.
I am no longer.
For how long you want me to? Okay.
No, 5 minutes.
7:08 by 7:15. You can.
Okay, 7:15. Okay. I hate you right now, but okay. That's okay.
Oh my God, I'm gonna get a car right now.
You know what?
I'm playing, but
Truth or dare?
Is it my turn? Oh yeah, there.
You know what I dare you to do?
Yeah.
I dare you to post my picture on your Snapchat.
Alright, cool. For how long?
For 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Oh hell no!
God damn.
Yeah, be like my fine ass Jamaican girl. So pick your favorite picture off my Instagram.
Jesus Christ.
And post it.
Why you gotta be like this?
Let's see.
Jesus Christ. Which one do you want me to pick?
I said you should pick your...
I should pick one?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I like this.
You like this? Alright,
yeah. Let's see. We both getting in trouble. For a couple of minutes.
Alright, so it's 10. So what you want me to say? What you want me to say?
My fine ass Jamaican girl.
My fine ass
Jamaican girlfriend.
Oh,
girlfriend. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Say girlfriend. Let's do it. Girlfriend with a heart too. Shit.
Yo,
you let me post it no, I'm not deleting it. It's already gone. With the heart. Let's get it. When squad, let's get it.
Oh my God. Hey.
No, you gotta put it so they could see it.
No, it's...
Stop playing with me.
I'll put the caption, right?
Put it up here. They're not gonna see nothing.
Hey, look at it. Hey.
No. See, he ain't fair. I'm done. Put it right.
No, right there.
He trying to small ass.
Come on.
Put it on the picture.
Hey, y'all, come on. This is not good. Look, look.
You can't even see. He put it at the bottom. Put it on my picture so they could see. Yeah, just like that. And then post it. Oh, put the heart too.
Huh?
No. You know what? Wait, stop it.
My fine Jamaican friend. That's good. That's a good caption.
No. Look at the one I post.
That's a great caption.
That's
my finest Jamaican girl.
Look, I'm no longer single. I'm taken by this. Niggas already looking at it. Put it.
Oh my gosh. You said for how long? That's too long.
It's not too long. Okay, until 7/16.
Damn, bro. You know how many people be...
Girlfriend, I don't give a shit.
You know how many people be viewing my thing?
Girlfriend.
Jesus Christ.
My finance Jamaican girlfriend. Okay. Stop hiding. What the fuck? This nigga hiding this shit.
Oh, can I just post it? No. It just a day afterwards?
No. After the minute is over. Cause I'm gonna have to post it's just a day. You acting like it's only you. Shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, girl.
What? Boy? Okay, so go. You're not texting nobody either. Post.
No, hold on. I have to text somebody.
You said I can't text anybody.
Why?
That's what you said. Oh, you're not texting. I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Let's go. Alright.
Put on the phone. You're not texting nobody.
I'm not texting nobody.
If we're doing this shit, we're doing this shit.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend didn't have shit to worry about.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright.
It's getting hot.
It's getting hot. Okay, there.
I dare you to... Hold on, no, I have to go to my note. I dare you to drink a spoon of oil. You have to like put in it like a scoop of oil and drink it.
Okay.
Are you down for it?
We could drink oil, right? I don't want to drink no more of the wine.
Hey, listen. Of course you can drink oil.
Okay, so I'll get it.
Alright, hey. Hold on. We got the oil, so hey, you gotta...
Okay.
Damn. Alright, okay. Your turn. This is the last one, y'all. I mean, for her.
Truth or dare?
Truth? I've been doing a lot of dares.
No, you haven't been doing.
Yes, I've done a lot of them. So.
How many people have you slept with?
One.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my
God! No cap.
Okay. Alright. You lying. I don't believe that. But okay.
Just one for the camera, alright? Alright, truth or dare?
No, I told the truth. You need to tell the truth.
What you mean? I said just one for the camera. What you mean? That's it. One person. That's
for
it.
The camera.
Oh, I mean for everybody. For you, for the camera, for everybody, just one person.
I sleep with one person too.
Stop lying. But hey.
One person. But okay.
But
there.
I dare you to give me a kiss.
You for real?
Yes. Oh shit, it's a dare. What you mean?
Okay.
Psych.
Got him! Got him!
Hey, thanks guys for watching the video, man. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you like and comment and subscribe to be part of the West Squad. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to go show us some love, alright?
Peace.
So man, that was a good video. Hey, till next time.